What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I don't even have time for a full-on intro right now because I'm going to be running late if I try to do that. So, hi, welcome back to the channel. My name's Sam. For those that are new here, welcome. If you are new here, join the Sam fam, hit subscribe, comment down below and say what's good, that you're new or whatever. And yeah, let's go ahead and pretty much just get right into the video. Today, as you can see, my hair is a mess, but not for long, boo. Not for long. I'm about to go get my hair done at Creetopia by Christina. I'll have all her information down below. I don't know if I can really record in there. I haven't really talked to her about that. I don't know her. This is a new stylist for me. I haven't had my hair weaved in 3 years. This is gonna be so weird. I'm so excited. I'll show you guys a picture of like the style that I'm aiming for, and then yeah, I'll show you guys my hair and everything once it's done. I'm so excited. I can't wait. I hope you guys are excited too, and let's just keep watching the video. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up and turn your post notification bell on. Follow me on IG and all that good stuff. I'll see you guys soon.
I canceled all my plans for you when you called. Don't worry, I got you. Got me acting different, it's your fault. Is it too early for these feelings? You might think I'm tripping, but boy, I got reasons. Want you more than just a season. Yeah, I've been thinking.
I don't know her. I don't know the old her.
I don't. New name.
Fire. Firella. Firina. Firina.
She said it.
Firina.
Maybe it wasn't that deep to you. Am I 2 steps ahead of you? Am I 2 steps ahead of you? Yeah. Am I 2 steps ahead of you? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Am I 2 steps ahead of you? I mean,
Oh, where did it go?
Where did it go?
We took the closure off. We just decided.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay, baby. It's okay.
So sorry, I don't know how to act.
Tell the people
Oh,
who did it.
trust me, I already did the intro. They know. They know. Link in bio.
Period.
That's right. Look, 1 time for the vibe we got, 2 times for the room I bought. I was thinking if it goes well, I could take a pretty ass to the hotel. Whoa, you don't really wanna go there, cause you're unsure. You don't know if I want more. Look, I've been on it since bonjour. But tell me, would you be mine even when a nigga on tour? Yeah, 1 step at a time, don't trip. If we ever do trip, then we flying. That's a trip to Japan or the land of the tides. I would never hold your hand if I ain't plan on having ties. Look, I'm the man that you want, I'm the man that you need. Don't get it all fucked up, please shut the fuck up respectfully. You ain't gotta ask twice, girl, you know what's up, it's just us.
yeah. I gotta know what's the meaning, yeah. I need ya, I know I need ya. Maybe it wasn't that deep to you. 2 steps ahead of you. 2 steps. Am I 2 steps ahead of you? Yeah. Am I 2 steps ahead of you? Yeah, yeah. Am I 2 steps ahead of you? I mean, no, yeah. Boy, you made me wanna choose it, yeah. Cause he don't do nothing for me anyways, anyway. I want something different from me nowadays. Am I really on for that? Look, cause I deserve more than what he's bringing back. You say you wanna give me all the things he lacks. Done with all the talking, show me how you act. I've been around for too long, I know when a man is serious. You got me all alone, and you got me getting curious. He say that he got me, but he don't. You looking like
He be like, damn, he's fine. He be like, damn, he's fine.
You guys, oh my God. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see it? Trell, you see this? I thought so. I had to sit down. I had to come to the ring light and sit down so you guys could really see what's really good. Like, this hair, this install is just insane. I didn't get to really explain what I got to you guys because I was in such a rush. So I'm just gonna sit down, tell you guys what's in my hair, what I got, and all that good stuff. So I went to Creetopia. I saw Christina there. I think that she goes by Cree. And she's like the main stylist there, I think. And she is amazing. She's super sweet. She's super nice. And she has the hands of God, apparently. So, oh God, I'm so hyped, you guys. I can't even chill. I just need to take a breather for a second. Recollect. Okay, back down to earth for a second. Okay, so the actual hair is from Cree herself, Christina. It's from Quality Extensions is her brand's name, and her website is in her Instagram bio. So I had saw that she had, you know, used her hair on a lot of people, and I was like, oh, it looks really good. Like, I don't really have like a specific hair that I want to use. I haven't had my hair done in 3 years, you know? So it's like, I don't know, whatever. But this hair, you guys, is amazing. I haven't had one shedding moment yet. And usually, even if I just got my hair done, something will fall out because I'm constantly going like this right when I get my hair done. I'm like so obsessed. So super shiny, like the body in it is bomb. I got 3 bundles of 20-inch and 1 lace closure in 18-inch. And the 20 inches is long, as you can see. It's coming under my boobs, so that's crazy. And the closure, I got it in 18 inches. What lace? Go ahead. Clock me. No, but seriously, bomb. It's an HD lace closure, and it is so bomb. And she just did it all. And she's not one of those stylists that, you know, oh, you have to come with your hair clean, washed, and dried, and straightened, and all that stuff. No, she washes your hair, she conditions, blows it out, has it braided. She has people that are working with her and everything that help her do all that stuff, but service is 10 out of 10, maybe even 20 out of 10, okay? So yeah, everything was just awesome. I loved the whole experience. I am so happy with my results of the hair. Cost-wise, the hair for 3 bundles, 20 inches, and a lace HD closure, 18 inches, came to $500. Like, after taxing and fees and shipping, it came to like $550. She does have options for you to pick it up at the shop. She is located in, I think it's Lamert Park or something like that. I don't know. It's like right next to Baldwin Hills Mall, if you're familiar with LA. And what else? Oh, and the actual hair installation, how much she charges was $300. And like I said, that includes washing, conditioning, blow drying, braiding, oiling the scalp, putting the net on, laying the hair, styling the hair. I chose to have it straight with just like a little bump under with a couple little baby hairs, but she'll style you however you want. And that is included in the total cost. So I think that is amazing. Like I said, 10 out of 10, 20 out of 10, definitely would recommend, you know what I mean? So definitely check her out if you're in the LA area. Tell her I sent you. But yeah, I'm so happy. I can't stop. I'm like obsessed. Rontrell, my cat, is over me, I'm sure of it. Cause I haven't even like really talked to him since I got home because I keep just looking in the mirror and taking TikToks and taking Instagram stories.
What the hell is beauty mode? What does this do? Oh, damn. Okay.
I did not come to play with you hoes. I came to slay, bitch. I like cornbread and collard greens, bitch. Oh yes, you best to believe it.
Like, and we're in well, not quarantined yet, but you know, it's Corona time, okay? So a lot of things going on, but hey, I'm about to be cute in the house making videos for y'all. So stay tuned for more. I'm gonna stop babbling and let you guys continue on with your lives. By the way, stay safe out there. Make sure you're prepared. Who knows what's to come? They might be trying to scare us. They might not be. I don't really know. Just be on your 10 toes. So yeah. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later. Thank you so much for watching. Before I leave, why did I gasp like that? Before I leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment on this video, give it a thumbs up, turn your post notification bell on, follow me on Instagram, and check out the description box so you can see all of the information about the hair and about Christina herself and her Instagram and all that good stuff. So yeah, thank you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Yeah, yeah. You